Hello and welcome back. This time we will discuss about the motherboard, the Asus WRX80E-SAGE 2. Well, the looking at the forums, I saw a lot of issues with SAGE first variant, which was praised by some YouTubers as mother of motherboards. Well, it seems to be, in the end, for many people, turned out to be the garbage of motherboards. Well, in my case, I had a lot of issues with this motherboard. Initially, it had a very long boot time, between 5 to 20 minutes. It depends, and it was random errors which were not in the manual, and despite I used only one stick of RAM because my LRDIMM was not accepted initially by the motherboard. I had to boot with a stick of 8 DIMM RAM, but still with a lot of issues. So I decided to send back, to pack it back and send it to Asus Advanced Repair, because they call themselves like Advanced RMA. They are seems the support for high-end motherboards. The normal Asus support dealing exclusively with mainstream motherboards for gaming and so on. Well, I sent it back. It took roughly 2 weeks together with the shipment to get it back, and they did something, because the motherboard now is booting between 15 and 30 seconds. It's booting way faster than initially. I don't get any more those strange errors which were not in the manual, and I started the trial and error regarding the RAM DIMM. But before, what I want to tell you is this high-end motherboard have a lack of support from Asus in terms of qualified vendor list for RAM. If you look on their website, they saying they offer support. This motherboard works well with and was tested with some type of memories that are not produced since years. I wonder how this was tested, if those memories, type of RAMs, went off from the market years ago, before even producing the SAGE Wi-Fi 2 motherboard, this WRX80. I don't know, but if you look, for example, it's just an example, if you look on their website, they offer support for crucial ballistics. Crucial ballistics are not produced since years and is out of production. You cannot find it anywhere, and this is not a single one example. But let's don't waste the time with this and move to what I did. I basically had to boot with the 8 giga DDR4 2400 MHz RAM that I bought separately, just for being able to boot and set the BIOS. Well, I went through a lot of trials and errors, around 4 or 5 days. I tried every day various settings, various timings, various frequencies, until I found out this Waymo LRDIMM RAM working fine at 2400 megahertz. This RAM don't like to it's highly let's say it's pretty picky also, and is not accepting lower frequencies like 2133, which for me is fine. I don't want to go to lower frequencies, but seems is not in their SPD table the 2933 megahertz, only the 3200. So guys, if you have any suggestion or any idea how I can make this RAM to work with this motherboard at 3200 megahertz, just let me know. I tried with relaxed timings, I tried with tighter timings, and seems always I went through a list of errors like C5 incompatible RAM, 27 possible, I'm suspecting it was possible a voltage, insufficient voltage, B6 incompatible RAM, C8 incompatible RAM, and also some other errors. But I booted with memtest. I tested truly this RAM and passed all the tests, have no issues. The RAM is from 2024 made. I'm posting here the screenshots from Typhoon Burner, from Hardware Info and CPU Z. I try to read all these settings of the RAM. Still I'm out of ideas. If anyone have a better idea, or any of you had or encountered similar problems and found a solution, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your patience, and bye bye.